Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well. Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the podcast. We are Study Smart, and this is a place where you can learn simple, real English, step by step. If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you've been following since episode 1, thank you so much for being here again. In this episode, we're going to talk about something that many students ask me all the time. How can I stop translating everything in my head? Yes, today we'll talk about how to think in English. This is one of the most powerful skills you can develop. And yes, even if you're a beginner, you can start today. Let's do this. First, let's understand the problem. Why do we translate in our heads when we speak or listen to English? The answer is simple, because it's how we learned. Most of us start learning English by translating words from our native language. For example, you learn dog means cachorro. You learn thank you means obrigado. That's okay in the beginning. It helps you understand the meaning. But the problem is, you get stuck. When you want to speak, your brain does this. Portuguese to English to speak. That takes too much time. It makes you slow. And sometimes, you get confused and say things wrong. So the big goal is this. Think directly in English. That way your brain goes. English to speak. Natural. Confident. But what does it mean to think in English? Do you have to think about grammar rules all the time? Thinking in English means that your first reaction to a situation is in English, not in your language. For example, you see your coffee on the table. Instead of thinking, meu café está ali, you think, my coffee is there. You see the sun outside. You think, it's sunny today. You feel tired. You think, I need to rest. Simple thoughts. Simple English. This is how native speakers think. And you can learn to do it too. Now I'll show you 5 steps you can follow to stop translating and start thinking in English. Step 1. Start with objects around you. Look around your home. Say the names of things in English. For example, table, chair, phone, window. Touch the object and say the word out loud. Then make a sentence. This is my phone. The window is open. I am sitting on the chair. This helps your brain connect English with real life, not with translations. Step 2. Use English for simple daily thoughts. Start using English in your head for daily situations. When you wake up, say in your mind, I am awake now. Let me check my phone. I need coffee. When you walk to the kitchen, I'm walking to the kitchen. I will make breakfast. Do this every day. It's like training your brain to use English all the time. Step 3. Learn full phrases, not just words. Many people learn only individual words. But the real power is in learning full phrases. Don't just learn, hungry. Learn, I'm hungry. Don't just learn, learn, I'm going to work. I'm going to the store. This way, when you speak or think, you don't need to build the sentence. It's already ready in your mind. Step 4. Use mini stories and imagination. This is a fun method. Think of a short story in your head, in English. For example, John wakes up at 7. He drinks coffee. He goes to work. He meets his friend. They talk. They eat lunch. Now change it. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work. I meet my friend. We talk. We eat lunch. Use this every day. Tell stories to yourself in English. Use your imagination. Step 5. Speak out loud, even alone. Talk to yourself. It's not crazy, it's smart. Say what you are doing in English. I'm walking. I'm making coffee. I'm tired today. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. And the more you think in English without translating. Here are some extra tips to help you train your brain to think in English. 1. Change your phone and apps to English. This helps you see English every day, in real life. 2. Watch YouTube or Netflix in English with English subtitles. This helps your brain connect sound and text and avoid translations. 3. Don't stop to understand every word. When you read or listen, don't stop every time you don't understand. Guess the meaning. Keep going. That's how kids learn. 4. Practice with a friend. If you have someone to practice with, do it. Try speaking only English for 5 minutes. Then 10. Then more. You'll be surprised how fast you improve. Let's review what we learned today. Why translating in your head slows you down. What it means to think in English. 5 steps to help you stop translating. Bonus tips to train your brain. Thinking in English is possible, even for beginners. But it takes time. It's like building a muscle. Every time you speak or think in English, that muscle gets stronger. So don't worry if it feels hard at the beginning. Keep going. One step at a time. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. If it helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English too. And don't forget to follow the podcast. New episodes every week. Next time, in episode 5, we'll talk about how to improve your listening skills and understand fast English. See you soon, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. Bye for now.
Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.